like I told you before now, that this period I will be telling you more of oils. Okay, yes, more of oils, because I found out that in our production, when we don't put the proper oils, it becomes a problem. So, and aside the right eye additive that you will put, you should also know about whatever you're putting into your lotion, so that you should not go and destroy people's body. Because when you see enough of all this sunburn, enough of all this skin irritation, when you use the appropriate lotion, I see no reason where somebody is going to condemn or some error going to occur in your lotion when you use the right additive. So please just listen carefully. Let me show you with the lotions you can be using, with the right oils you can be using, and the right powder you can be using. It will help you, so stay tuned. If you're using this, it's best for you. All right, then if you're using a lotion like this, again, it's best for you. These are right lotions you'll be using. I'm coming, I will show you oils. Okay, then you're using lotion like this. All right, then you're using lotion like this. Why not? You won't get any problem or side effect, unless what you've got to use is fake. And I always beg you, stop buying fake, because they will destroy someone's body. So stop buying all those fake. Please, you know the right place to go. The reason why they are not working, because they are fake. Don't let price discourage you. Skincare, you see, if you want to really go down with skincare, you will know that beauty is a #1 priority business you should take serious. Because you want your hobby or everybody around you to admire you very well and tell you you're beautiful and like you. You know, you have to use the right lotions. Now let me show you oil that you can use, you can add to it, because it's very necessary. I tell you the truth. Are you getting it? These are oils that you should be using at any time. Anytime. They don't give you any story, any side effect. These are right oils that you should be using at any time of the day you're working. Right oils that you should be using. They have no side effect. They don't give you blemishes, skin, labouche or dabouche. They don't give you anything of such. Why not go for such oil like this, mixed with your perfect lotions? And let me show you powders also. You should know, they don't give you any side effect. They don't give you at all. These are good powders. I'll be telling you black magic. I'll be telling you, some people, they love using hydroquinone. We don't use hydroquinone. If you want to use hydroquinone, that should be on you. But these are powders that you will use in 1 week. You'll be seeing results. Please, enough of all this missy and all that. That is why some people who live in abroad will be thinking they are better than the people who are in Nigeria, because they went to some schools. They say all about chemical, and even at that, they are not satisfied, asking us in Nigeria to teach them. So meaning there is something that you know that they don't know. But keep it up with original items. Please, I beg you all. So if you want to get all these original items, please place your order. Place your order via the number on your screen. So bye-bye.